Week 4 video essay, The Frank Starling Law of the Heart, states that an increase in stroke volume is proportional to the amount of blood that fills the heart. It is a direct link between the initial length of myocardial fibers and the force generated through a contraction. So blood fills the heart and goes to the ventricle. At the end of that process of the ventricle filling, it's called end diastolic volume. If there is a large volume of blood, it makes the heart stretch and the myocardial fibers in the heart stretch, which causes a more forceful contraction. The more forceful contraction, the more cardiac output is put out, and it goes through the veins, which gives the veins a lot of pressure. And the more pressure the veins have, the more cardiac output that they can use to start the circuit all over again. Blood velocity changes as it goes through arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood velocity is faster in the aorta. That's partly because the diameter of the aorta is largest. It's the largest artery, and that's the wider the diameter, the less peripheral resistance that the blood goes through, so the blood can flow faster. Same as the veins, they are larger than the capillaries, so blood flows faster through the veins than the capillaries. Blood flows slower in the capillaries because that's where they need to exchange nutrients and gases. The diameter is smaller, which is good for the exchange of nutrients. So the blood will flow smaller, has more beds to go through, so it'll take a little bit longer. So blood velocity is fastest through the arteries, and it slows down as it gets to the capillaries and the capillary bed, and then it speeds up as it goes back through the veins.